Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, downtown Chicago. It's Friday morning, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Happy Friday to all of us. Okay, the corn market. Our first chart of corn here today. I like this chart on corn. And maybe it's the type of market where we go up 2 or 3 cents each day, but it's certainly in a trading range, but it's trending higher. Note the gap on corn now. It's never been filled here. So this is a good chart pattern. And keep in mind that money flow trumps fundamentals at all times. And these managed funds, these funds now are long corn, and they can buy as many corn contracts as humanly possible. So certainly the fundamentals here, there's a lot of corn in the world, but the technicals look good, as they usually do here as we move into the end of the year. So good chart on corn. Let's see if it continues. We're going to show you this chart each week going forward. Okay, demand is good. Exports were okay this week. Ethanol is a little bit iffy here, and with the low corn prices, you think ethanol would be in a little better shape here. Certainly, whether you agree with ethanol or not, it's a huge demand component for our U.S. corn, and it cleans up the smog in Shanghai and New York and Chicago and Bombay, India. So it makes sense here. Every single day now I read that China is going to be buying U.S. corn. And keep in mind, we don't trade according to what we read in the newspapers, but it's a good story. And let's see if China can step up in here and buy U.S. corn and buy U.S. soybeans. Okay, the soybean market. The technicals on soybeans look good too here. Look, as long as January soybeans can stay above 9 and 906. Today my number's 910, and that's around today's high. And just seems like we get announcements of Chinese purchases of U.S. soybeans, we're going to trade higher. And then you're going to see farmers selling come into these higher prices. Nonetheless, just a better environment than where we were here a couple of weeks ago. Things seem positive here, and we get some more China purchases of U.S. soybeans, we're going to trade higher. It's a time of year for that to happen. Just about every single day now, I hear U.S. soybean sales, export sales to unknown destinations. Many times that is Chinese origin. So just China now, 2 more cases of Asian swine flu. They're in trouble with this pork swine flu over there. And it is impeding their demand for soybean meal, which they feed to their hogs and pigs over there. So kind of China in a little bit of issues here with that, and their economy's slowing. So China doesn't want to talk about this ASF. That's bad for their population, and the people of China want food stability and security. So you won't hear China address this issue very much. But I'm here to tell you it is out of control. Okay, and lastly, the wheat market. Chart on wheat. Look at now, putting it together here this week. Egypt bought Russia and Romania wheat this week, and Egypt's the biggest wheat buyer. Now, this good quality wheat from these countries, Russia and Romania, seem to be running out of steam here a little bit and can turn the exports to U.S. wheat. Matif, the French traded wheat, is at a 4-month high, and when we get rallies in leadership from wheat, it seems to come from the Matif wheat, and that has been trading higher this week. Everybody have an excellent weekend.